Assalamu alaikum. This is video number fourth video lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to discuss the other two cases about the nature of roots. Okay, so other two cases are these. The second case is when discriminant is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. This is the case where if suppose I'm having a curve here and straight line is there, so straight line and curve, they both are intersecting each other at 2 points. So in this case there are two distinct are sometimes called different roots, different real roots or solution. Now roots or solution, they are same. Okay, now the question is find the set of values of k for which each of these equations has two real roots. Now when there are two real roots or two different roots, then this should be understood that the discriminant is greater than 0. Okay, this is understood thing, that discriminant is greater than 0. Now I'm doing part 1. Okay, question number 3, part 1 I'm doing, and part 1 is 2x square minus 3x plus k equal to 0. Now discriminant is greater than 0 because roots are two different roots. In the question it's stated there. Okay, two real roots, okay, has two real roots. Now b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. The expression should be in the order, like order is this one: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is 2, b is minus 3 here, and c is k here. Now put abc in the expression in this discriminant. Discriminant is now put in the values here: minus 3 whole square minus 4a, a is 2, and c is k greater than 0. Now see, 9 minus 8k greater than 0. I can also write here 9 implies that 9a is greater than 8k, goes to the other side, 8k, or 8k is less than 9. Dividing both sides by 8, we get 8 here. So k is less than 9 over 8. That's the value of k. Okay, in the question they say find a set of values of k for which each of these equations has two real roots. So k is less than 9 over 8. For this value of k, the equation is having two real roots. Now next part I'm doing let's do part 2. Part 2 is k square plus 4x minus 1. K square plus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now two real roots. When two real roots, then discriminant is greater than 0. Okay, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Expression should be in the order. So a is k, b is 4, and c is minus 1. Now put abc in the expression in the discriminant. Discriminant is given to you there. B is 4, so 4 square minus 4, a value is k, and c value is what? Minus 1, greater than 0. I will go to the 4 square minus 4k into minus 1. 4 square minus 4k into minus 1 greater than 0. Now 16 minus 4k greater than 0, or I can write here 16 is greater than 4k. 4k goes to that side, becomes positive. 4k is less than 16, or k is less than 4. That's the values. For these values of k less than 4 means value of k is 3, 2, 1 and so on. These are the values of k for which has two real, the expression, these expressions have two real roots. Now let's do one more question. I'm doing part 4. Part 4 is 3x square plus 2kx and plus k equal to 0. Now two real roots, discriminant greater than 0, b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Now what is a value? A is 3. What is b value? B is 2k. What is c value? C is k. So put the values in the expression. b is 2k square minus 4a is 3 and c is k greater than 0. So this becomes 4k square minus 12k greater than 0. Now what are the set of values for k? What are the set of values for k to get so that we get two real roots? What we will do in this case, make this equal to 0, minus 12k equal to 0. Now 4k is common, so k minus 3 is equal to 0. So 4k is equal to 0 and k minus 3 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Now it means k is equal to 0, dividing both sides by 4, and it means k is equal to 3. So we got two values of k. Now write them here. K is 0 here and k is 3 here. Now see, this value is k1, k2 and k3, and k4 here and k minus 1 here. Now set of values of k they want, set of values of k for which this expression has two real roots. Now if I take, see, this is the condition, we need this condition to be satisfied. Okay, we will be needing the values of k. Those values of k will be our solutions who will satisfy this condition. Now if you put here k is equal to 0, let's say put here k is equal to 0. If I'm putting k is equal to 0 here, I'm getting 4 into 0, sorry, it's not visible here, so I'm going to the other side, or I will check it there. See, I'm checking it here. If I'm putting k0 here, let's say k0, so 4 into 0 square minus 12 into 0, which should be greater than 0. The result should be greater than 0. So 0 is greater than 0. It's false. So it's not true. This is not the k0 is not the answer. K0 is not the result. That's not the solution. That's not a solution. If we check k is equal to 3, even this is not giving me the solution, because if we put k3 here, so it should be greater than, the result should be greater than 0. So 9 minus 12 into 3, this result should be greater than 0, but I'm getting 36 here minus 36 here greater than 0. So 0 I'm getting here, and 0 is not greater than 0. So these both results are giving me false things. So when false, it means k0 and k3 is not the solution. What if we check the middle value, any value in the middle? I'm checking this one. Come on, please check this one. k is equal to 2. If you put this k is equal to 2 here, look at the result now. 4k square minus 12k. So 4 2 square minus 12 into 2. The result here I'm getting here 4 into 4, which is 4 into 4 16 minus 4 into 4 16 and minus 24, which is giving me what? Minus 8, which is less than 0. So that's not the solution. Okay, now it means even in this area the values, like values of k, if I'm taking 1, please check 1, I checked 2, you checked 1 there with using your calculator. So that will also be giving the result which will not be greater than 0, and we want greater than 0. So see here, what if I check this value 4? Let me check 4. 4k square minus 12k, the result should be greater than 0. So if I put k is equal to 4 into 4 square, sorry, 4k square, because expression at the end we get 4k square minus 12k. So if I'm checking here, k is equal to 4 minus 12 into 4. Now see, for 4 16 into 4 is what? 64 minus 48. Now what's the result here? And this result is greater than 0. See, check the result is true. If you check any value to the left side, look at the left side, I have minus 1 here. Check minus 1. I'm putting here minus 1, k is minus 1. So 4 into minus 1 whole square minus 12 into minus 1, it should be greater than 0. So 4 plus 12, which is greater than 0, which is true. So see, the result we have is k 0 and k 3. Now 2 I checked, 2 was not giving me, k is equal to 2 was not giving me greater than 0. But when I checked 4, k is equal to 4 gave me greater than 0. When I checked minus 1, k is equal to minus 1, both gave us greater than 0. So it means solution set is what? K greater than 3, because if you take 3.1 here, even 3.1 will be giving you greater than 0. Check 3.0001, even that will be giving you greater than 0 result, and k is less than minus 1. So this is the solution set. These k values are giving you greater than 0 results. So these are the set of values for k. That's the end of this question. Okay, let's do one more question, and that I'm doing for the third case. Okay, the third case is what I'm doing. I'm just explaining these 3 cases, then I'm doing question from exam papers. Question 4. Now let's take a question or two parts or one part from this paper, question 4, which has no real roots. No real roots, discriminant less than 0. I'm taking this part, then I will take this part. So first part is kx square plus x minus 2. Kx square plus x minus 2. Let me check it again. Kx square plus x minus 2, yes. And they say no real roots. Set of values of k is required. See, there's a set of values of k. Find the set of values of k for which each of these equations has no real roots. So no real roots, set of values of k is required. Set of values of k is required. Now no real root, discriminant is less than 0, means b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Now I have told you in previous videos that if you're doing these questions, one common mistake which students are doing, they're doing the questions and they're in hurry, and they forget one thing. They forget that the expression should be in the order. Okay, expression should always be in the order. It should be x square here, x here, and constant here. Now a is k, b is 1, and c is -2. Put the result, put these values in the discriminant. So 1 square minus 4 into k into c is what? -2. Result should be less than 0. That is the discriminant. So 1 plus 8k less than 0. It means 8k is less than -1. -1 goes to that side, dividing both sides by 8. So k is less than -1 upon 8. For this values of k, there will be no real roots. Okay, now next part, one more part I'm doing from the same for the same third case. Let me do fourth part, 2x square minus kx plus 1. 2x square minus kx plus 1. 2kx square minus kx plus 1. Yes, part 4, 2k x square minus kx plus 1 is equal to 0. Now let me confirm it. 2kx square minus kx plus 1, yes, correct. Now no real roots, no real roots. Set of values of k, set of values of k is required. They say if no real roots. Okay, if no real roots are there, then what will be the set of values of k? This is given to us, it's given, it's a given thing. They say in the question the roots are there are no real roots, because you see the question, in the question they have given this thing to us. Look at the question. Find a set of values of k for which each of these equations has no real roots. So we are finding set of values of k. Very simple thing. First of all, the expression should be in the order. It's already in the order, x square, x, and constants. So a is equal to 2k, b is equal to minus k, and c is equal to 1. So discriminant is what? Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Now put the values, it should be less than 0, because that's the rule. So b is minus k whole square, minus 4a is 2k, and c is what? C is 1, less than 0. So k square minus 4k less than 0. Now see, we get here, if we equate k square minus 4k is equal to 0, so we get k common, k plus 4 equal to 0. So k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 4. These two values we got. Now do according to the previous, just like the previous question we are doing here. K is 0 and k is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say here is k5. Let's say here is k0 here. Let's say here is k minus 1. Now what we will do, it's a simple thing. Just take one value between 4 and 0. Okay, take one value between 4 and 0, and one value to the right here, one value to the left here. What if I take 0? K0, if I'm taking K0, it's giving me 0 here minus C. If I'm taking K equal to 0, so let me check it. 0 square minus 4 into 0 the result should be less than 0, but it's what? It's not less than 0. It's false. 0 is not less than 0. Okay, it's false. So this is not working. What if I take k is equal to 4? If I take k is equal to 4, it will also give me a wrong answer. It will not give me correct answer. It will give me false result. K square minus 4k. Now k square minus 4k, result should be 0, less than 0. So 4 square minus 4 into 4 less than 0, but it's 0 less than 0, which is false. So it means I need to check values here. 0 is not the result, 4 is not the result. Check here 3, 2 and 1. Check one of them. I'm checking 3 here. So if k is 3, so 3 square minus 4 into 3 less than 0. Check it. It's 9 minus 12 less. Yeah, of course it's less than 0 because it's minus 3 is less than 0. So it means if one value is giving you true result, the other values between these two numbers, which is 0 and 4, which is solution, which is the result you got from that working. So these two results, if one value between these two numbers is giving you true result, then the other numbers, let's check k is equal to 2. It will also give me correct result. 2 square minus 4 into 2. See here, 4 minus 8, which is what? Minus 4 is less than 0. It's giving you true result. But if you take here 5, let's check k is equal to 5. Now see, 5 square minus 4 into 5, so 25 minus 20, which should give you less than 0, but it's what? It's 5 less than 0, which is false. See, it's false. So this result is false. It means answer is, even if you take here minus 1, look at that result. If k is minus 1, so I'm checking here minus 1 whole square minus 4 into minus 1, it should be less than 0. See here, it's 1 and plus 4 is less than 0, but it's what? It's 5 less than 0, which is false. So the solution, which is the area which is giving us true result, is between these two numbers. So the answer is what? Now come to the answer. What is the answer? Answer is k less than 4 and k greater than 0. That is the answer. The answer is less than k less than 4 and k greater than 0. This is the set of values of k, which gives us no real roots. Okay, that's these are the two cases. The two cases where discriminant b square minus 4ac greater than 0, when there are two different roots. The third case was discriminant b square minus 4ac less than 0, when the curve and the line, they don't touch each other. So in this case, no real roots. In this case, two different roots. Okay, so inshallah, next video, now this was video number this was fifth video. In next video, number 6, lesson number 6, video lesson number 6, I will be doing exam questions, past paper questions. So please do watch that video, because that will help you to understand what type of questions they give in exam. These were just like, this was explanation of the theory. That theory, first you need to understand the theory, then on this theory you then solve questions. Okay, so next video I will be doing question from examination paper from the past papers. Please watch that video, inshallah. That will be video number 6. This was video number 5th. So in video number 6 I'll be doing exam questions. And okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.